Hello, my dear friends. Myself, Nivya KM. I'm Assistant Professor of Department of Business Management, St. Albert's College, Ernakulam. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic interview. Let's see the definition of interview. An interview is a structured conversation when one participant asks questions and the other participants responds. As we know that interview is a process which involves two participants, an interviewer and the interviewee. Here, the interviewer asks the questions and the interviewee has to respond to the questions. Then the interview comes to an end. Now, let's see the features of interview. Here are some of the major features of interview. First one is, it is conducted in the form of conversation, which is shaped by certain guidelines and questions between the researcher and the respondents. So, interview is based on some guidelines and it is based on some questions. So, these guidelines has to be followed throughout the interview process. So, basically, interview happens in the way of oral communications. So, the second point is, it is used in surveys and participant observation methods. Interview is basically used in the methods like surveys and participant observations. When we are conducting surveys, we need to prepare some questionnaires and we have to fill out this questionnaire and we have to fill out this questionnaire by asking these questions to the respondents, by interviewing with the respondents. So it is basically conducted in the survey and observation methods. The third point is, the interview is flexible and it is structured. So interview is flexible. That means we can change the contents of the interview whenever it is purely based upon the interviewer. It's purely based upon the convenience of the interviewer. So it is a freedom of the interviewer that he or she can change the questions of the interview. So she can change the contents of the interview. So as it is said that it is flexible in its structure. The last point is, age, gender, color, class, dress, language, appearance of the interviewers and the interviewee influence the interview. So these things we should take care of while we are going to attending an interview. We should take care of our color, dress codes and our language and our appearance. We should take care of all these things. We should always try to wear a formal dress codes when we are going to appear for an interview. And always adopt a light color dress shades and try to wear minimum accessories. The appearance should be minimum. Try to wear minimum accessories. Try to do not put over makeup like that. So try to put simple makeup and minimum accessories. Otherwise, it will actually influence the interviewer, and the interviewer may ask questions on behalf of all these appearances and accessories. So it may confuse the interviewee. So we all should always try to be in minimum accessories and more formal. And the next feature is, some interviewers have a very structured format with specific questions, whereas some have a loosely structured format with only a checklist of topics rather than the actual questions. So interview is basically conducted on two methods. Some interviewers have pre-prepared questions. So they will ask questions on the basis of only on the basis of that pre-prepared questions. They have checklist. They will ask questions on the basis of that checklist. And some interview will not be structured. So the interviewer may ask questions randomly. And the last point is, during the interviewer can ask cross questions or other questions that are required during the process, which are not possible in a questionnaire. So it has a freedom for the interviewer that the interviewer can ask questions to the interviewee, like cross questions to the interviewee. While if you ask some questions to the interviewer and the interviewer is in a way of answering that questions, the interviewer has the freedom to ask cross questions to the interviewee. So these are the features of the interview. And next we are going to discuss about how to improve your performance in an interview. It is always an important fact that we should prepare for an interview. We should always it is important that we should always we all have a wish that we should perform best in that interview. So how you can perform best in an interview? How will you improve your performance in an interview? First one is there are 7 points. There are 7 points which influence our performance of an interview. The first one is prepare for an introduction. The second one is research the company. Third one is practice your answers. Fourth one is arrive early. Fifth one is dress appropriately. And the sixth one is bring all necessary documents. And the seventh one is ask questions at the end of an interview. So let's see each topic by one by one. First one is prepare an introduction. It is an important thing that first thing the interviewer should prepare, that he should prepare for an introduction. He should be ready for an introduction. He should be ready to say about himself, or he should be ready to say about themselves. So the first point is prepare for an introduction. An introduction may be the first thing an interview asks. It is a great opportunity for them. It's a great opportunity for the interviewee to say about them. It is a great opportunity to the interview to expose what he is, and it is a great opportunity to the interviewer also to ask questions for the about the interviewee. The next is prepare an introduction before and practice it. You should practice that introduction. You should practice in that introduction in a mirror, by saying that yes, my name is so and so, I'm coming from so and so. Like that, we should practice that introduction in a mirror, so we will get more confidence while saying that while appearing for an interview. So the introduction should be kept short. It should not exceed 30 seconds. It should be in between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. It should not exceed 2 minutes. The introduction should be short. Give a brief overview of your skills, experience, and how you may be a good fit for the job. For an introduction, you should give a brief overview of your skills, that your special abilities, and the interviewer may think that yes, he is fit for the job. So you should explain yourself that in what ways you are fit for the job. Second point is research the company. Before any interview, try to understand more about the company that you are going for the interview. So you should have, the interviewee should have an overview about the company that we are going to appear for an interview. We should research the company in Google or somewhere else, or we should ask for reference, or we should ask for any employees who are working in that company. We should ask like that. What are the features of the company? Could you please say the visions and missions of the company? Like that, you should prepare for that about that company. You should be prepared about the company. So you should have a research about that company that you are going for an interview. You can do a quick online search and go through the company website, or read more job search. Like these ways you can search about that company, and this may enable you to interact with them confidently. If they ask any questions regarding the company, then you should be able to answer that questions, and you should be confident to that questions. The third one is practice your answers. Try practicing your answers to common question. You should always try to practice your answers the same way that you practice for introduction by in a mirror, in front of a mirror. So you should practice your answers for some. Actually, you should pick out some common questions that should ask for the interview. So you should practice that answers always, and you should practice in front of the mirror, so you can see that you can see yourself that how you are responding to a questions. So we can make any corrections in that. You can practice them in front of a mirror and take a video, so that you are aware of your tone. You should be aware of your body language, and should be aware of your facial mannerisms, and you can make corrections in it. So practicing can help you deliver your answers in a clear way, and sounds always confident. It sounds always confidently. The fourth one is arrive early. It is actually an important one in interview. If you arrive lately in an interview, it gives a bad impression of the interview. So the interviewer may think that yes, he's the one who always comes later. So if we adopt that particular person, it will be it will not good to our organization. So interviewer may think like that. So we should always try to arrive early for the interview. Punctuality is a virtue that interviewers appreciate in candidates. Punctuality is important thing in every interviewer. Determine how much time it may take for you to reach the place and plan to leave early. So first of all, we should determine how much time we should take for arriving that particular place. So we should plan accordingly. So we should leave from our residence before around 30 minutes or like before around 30 minutes from that particular time. So we should always ensure that we have reached that particular station or particular place, particular company on correct time, on punctually. The fifth one is dress appropriately. Make sure you have appropriate attire for an interview, which I already discussed with you that we should always keep a formal dress code for an interview. We should use minimum accessories and we should use the formal dress codes and light color dress codes like that. So attire or appearance of dress code is an important thing in an interview. Even if a company has a casual dress code, you may have to dress professionally for an interview. If the company will prefer casual dress codes, but for an interview, you should adopt a formal dress code. Ensure that your clothes are fresh and ironed. Next one is bring all necessary documents. Don't forget to bring all the necessary documents like your biodata, your copy of biodata, the certificates copy. You should bring all necessary documents or the experience certificates copy. The interviewer may ask these copies to you. So if you don't have prepare for it, you don't have that hard copy with you, then it may lead to a bad impression to the interviewer. So you should always keep ready with your necessary documents. Next one is ask questions at the end of an interview. Usually the interview may ask you if you have any questions for them. Be ready with some relevant questions, only some relevant questions regarding the job, the work culture or the work timing like that. So in every interview, the interviewer may ask question. If you have any doubts or clarification, please ask. Feel free to ask like that. So the interviewee must be ready with some relevant questions to ask. This can leave a positive impression of the interviewer as it demonstrates your enthusiasm and willingness to learn. So if you ask any questions, it means the interviewer may feel that the interviewee is enthusiastic to that job, or he or she is willingness to learn to that about that particular job or company. So these are my contents. So we discuss about interview, what's the meaning of interview and some of the features of interview. And finally, we discuss about how to improve your performance in an interview. So I think you students may are familiar with all these things and you are ready with a proper interview sessions from today onwards. So thank you so much.